Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we are going to learn how to send SMS from Google Sheets using Soft SMS. So I'm recently going to open a new branch of my makeup studio for which I want to send discount offers to all my customers through SMS. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up a connection between our Google Sheets where we have the data of our customers and Soft application through which we are going to send SMS to all our customers, and that we are going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect works on two principles, trigger and action. So in trigger, we are going to take Google Sheets, and in action, we are going to take Soft SMS application, and we will connect both of them with the help of Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn the entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send SMS to our customers from Google Sheets using Soft SMS application. So I'm going to open a new branch of my makeup studio with a name as Divine Glamour, for which I want to send discount offers to all my customers through SMS. I have the details of my customers such as name, email and mobile number in my Google Sheets. Now I want to send discount offer for my Divine Glamour makeup studio to all these customers through SMS, for which I'm going to use Soft SMS application. But I am not going to send the SMS to all these customers manually one by one, because I'm going to use an automation for this process with the help of Pabbly Connect. So what I will do, I will simply set up a connection between my Google Sheets and Soft SMS application in such a way that automatically SMS will be sent to all these customers, and when I'm going to add a new row also in this particular spreadsheet, the SMS will be sent to that customer also. We are going to create this automation without any coding or programming skills with the help of this amazing automation software Pabbly Connect. So we are going to connect both the applications with the help of Pabbly Connect, and this is the home page of Pabbly Connect where we can reach by tapping pabbly.com/connect. So after coming here, we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in, but if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button to create your free new account. Also, when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, I am directly clicking on sign in. This is the all apps section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. Now it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on this dashboard, we can find all our workflows which we have created, and we can also create folders here to save our workflows. As you can find, I have multiple folders over here. I have created them to save my workflows accordingly on my dashboard. Now to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option. Let's do that. And here a dialog box will appear in front of us. So it is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name over here. Send automated SMS from Google Sheets using Soft. So here you can find that this is our objective. We want to send SMS from Google Sheets with the help of Soft. So I have given the name. Now after giving the name, here I'm going to select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So I have created Google Sheets and Soft automations folder. I want to save this workflow in the folder. So I've selected that. Now let's click on create. And as we have done that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us. First is the trigger and the other is action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two concepts or the principles on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is a response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Now let's suppose we are going to take Google Sheets in our trigger and Soft in our action, and we want that whenever we are going to add a new row in our Google Sheets along with the details of a customer, automatically an SMS should be sent to that customer with the help of Soft SMS application. So here we can find that our action is the response towards our trigger, because when the trigger happens, that means when the data is added in Google Sheets, then only the SMS is sent, otherwise not. So after understanding this concept, let's start creating the workflow step by step. First of all, we need to select our trigger application, and that is Google Sheets. So let's select that. And now we have to select the trigger event. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or start. So new or updated spreadsheet row will be our trigger event over here. And we can find that as we have done that, a webhook URL is provided to us and along with some instructions. So we need to follow these instructions step by step in order to connect our Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. And the webhook URL which is provided to us is going to act as a bridge for sending the data from Google Sheets towards Pabbly Connect. So first of all, let us copy the webhook URL, and then I'm going to take you towards my Google Sheets. So this is the spreadsheet which I have prepared. As I already told you, it has three columns, A, B and C. Column A is for name, column B is for email, and column C is for mobile number of the customers. Okay, so we will connect this spreadsheet with Pabbly Connect. For that, we have to go towards extensions, and we can find the option of add-ons over here. Let's click on this get add-ons. and it has taken us towards Google Workspace Marketplace. Now here we need to search for Pabbly Connect Webbook. So let's do that. So basically, Pabbly Connect Webbook is the add-on which we need to install in Google Sheets to connect it with Pabbly Connect. And as you can find, I have already installed it. So I'm just going to cross this. And once you will install the add-on for the first time, you also have to refresh your page so that you will be able to find Pabbly Connect Webbooks under extensions. As I can find Pabbly Connect Webbooks, we will go towards initial setup. And basically, to connect our Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect, we have to do an initial setup in which we have to enter two details, webbook URL and trigger column. So first of all, let us paste the webbook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect, and the next is trigger column. So the concept of this trigger column says that whenever in our spreadsheet the data will be added up till trigger column, the entire row will be automatically sent towards Pabbly Connect. So it is given over here. The trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent to the webbook URL. As you can find in the background, I have three columns. So column C will be my trigger column over here, because I want that whenever I'm going to add a new row in my Google Sheets up till trigger column, that means up till mobile number of the customer, then the entire row should be sent towards Pabbly Connect, and with that response the workflow should get triggered. So I'm going to enter C over here as my trigger column, and now let's click on the send test button to send the test response towards Pabbly Connect of this smart customer. So here we can find that the test data of the smart customer, this is the email and the phone number, is sent towards Pabbly Connect. So let's click on submit. And here we can find that our setup is configured successfully. So let's cross this. We will go back towards Pabbly Connect, and we can find that here we have already received the response. In the response, we have received all the details which we have in our Google Sheets. Trigger column, that is C, spreadsheet name, spreadsheet ID, sheet name, sheet ID, row index, mobile number of the customer, email, and the full name of the customer. This means that our connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect is perfectly successful. So now we will move further. Here our objective is to send automated SMS to the customer with the help of DoveSoft SMS application. Okay, so for that we have to connect DoveSoft with Pabbly Connect. Let's move towards our action step, and in our action application we will select DoveSoft. Okay, and now we have to select action event, that will be send SMS. Let's click on connect, and now we have to select add new connection to build a new connection with DoveSoft SMS account. And after selecting add new connection, you need to enter username and key. So from where we are going to find these details? For that I'm going to take you towards my DoveSoft account, and then we have to scroll down and we have to go towards JSON in the API section. Now after coming on JSON, here we can find the password and the username. So first of all, let us copy this username. We will go back towards Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. We will go back towards DoveSoft SMS and we will copy the password. And this password is our key. So let's paste it in the key field. Okay, done. Let's click on save. And with this, we can find that DoveSoft SMS is now successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So let's move further. Here we need to enter the details in these fields to send the SMS to our customer. Okay, first of all, it is asking us to enter the SMS which we want to send. That means the content of the SMS. So my objective is to send discount offers to my customers for the new opening of my makeup studio Divine Glamour. Therefore, my message will be dear. Now here I'm going to enter the name of the customer to make this message personalized. So for that I will simply map the data from previous response. Now mapping is inserting data from previous step. Here our previous step is given and we have received all the details of our customer which we have in our Google Sheets. So we will simply map the name of the customer over here. Now when we have mapped this data, it has become dynamic. This means that now it is going to change with each and every new response. So whenever a new data will be taken into consideration, automatically the name is going to be replaced with a new name of a new customer. But in case if we will enter it manually by typing or by copy and pasting, then the name will become static and then it is not going to change with each and every new response. Therefore, in order to automate the entire process, we have to map the data. Okay. Now after mapping the name, I'm going to enter the content which I want to send as the SMS. So this is my message which I want to send. Dear smart customer, enjoy our grand opening discount at Divine Glamour Makeup Studio. Book any service and get 20% off. Hurry, this offer won't last forever. Regards, Divine Glamour. So this is my message which I want to send. You can definitely add the message according to your choice and you can customize the message according to your business requirements. Now here it is asking us to enter the mobile number on which we want to send this SMS. We want to send the SMS to our customer. So we will simply map the phone number of our customer from previous response. And it is asking that we have to enter the phone number in this given format, that means along with the country code. But here we have not received the plus sign from our Google Sheets response. I will simply add the plus sign manually over here. Okay, done. The next important thing is the account usage type. So here I am going to select transactional and sender ID, client SMS ID and entry ID. All these details are not mandatory. So I'm going to ignore these fields for now. But if you want, you can definitely add them. Now let's click on save and send test request button. And here we have received the response, and in the response it is given success. That means the SMS is sent on the number which we have mapped over here. So let's go and check whether the SMS is received or not. And this is the screenshot of the message which I have received on the number which we have mapped. Dear smart customer, enjoy our grand opening discount at Divine Glamour Makeup Studio. Book any service and get 20% off. Regards, Divine Glamour. So this is the same and exact message which we have entered while creating the workflow. This means that our workflow is successful. So we will go back towards Pabbly Connect, and we have to do one more thing, because our objective is to send the SMS to all these customers in the customized format. So for that we have to do just a quick step. We have to go towards extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and this time we have to click on this send all data button. So as we have done that, now automatically the message will be sent to all these customers on their numbers. Okay. And if you want that whenever you are going to add a new row, the message should be sent to that new customer also, then you have to click on this send on event button. So as you will add a new row over here, the message will be sent to that new customer also. Okay. So here we will go back towards Pabbly Connect, and we will summarize what we have done in the workflow. So we have taken Google Sheets in our trigger and DoveSoft SMS in our action, and we have connected both of them in such a way that automatically SMS will be sent to all the customers of which we have the data in our Google Sheets. And this can be done without any coding or programming skills with the help of an amazing automation software, Pabbly Connect. So this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can directly reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask any pricing related issue, then you can directly reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also please like our videos and subscribe our channel to learn more such automations.